And all right, so talking about the industry, I think our experts today have already spoken about the trends in the industry, the threat of AI. We keep talking about the threat of it on our jobs. What do you guys feel about it? What's trending in the industry right now? What's happening in terms of technology in the VLSI industry? And of course, what do you think? Artificial intelligence, all of that hue and cry that we keep hearing about, does it actually have an impact on the jobs, or is it just shenanigans? I think I'll start with Narsimha.
See, the current industry is like at present, okay? I'll divide into 4 categories. One is like a PC world, mobile, automobile, and IoT. So PC currently is a downtrend. Mobile, it was a stagnant. And automobile, it's booming. And IoT, I would say it's booming because earlier we don't have this IoT kind of. So all this AI will be, it is mixed with all these 4 categories also, I would say. So currently AI, if you say particular, currently if you heard like Tesla and all, right? So he is using a AI. And also few other companies, I recently heard kind of a Saima, there is a company called Saima, which purely work on the AI, which they'll provide all the chips kind of, to the drones or automotives kind of. So I would say AI will not eat our jobs, I would say, definitely. If eaten, then I'm not sure on that. From my sake, like no, it will not eat up, but it will, it will screw our nightmares maybe.
All right. What do you guys have to say about it?
If IoT comes into the picture or something, artificial intelligence comes into the picture, there won't be any, I think so, there won't be any effect to our jobs. If there is an effect, let's say, as sir mentioned, don't go in through like only one course completely. Just keep your hands in different places.
Yes.
So that it will be helpful for you. You can groom over there and then you can come over with the new things.
Ashutan, you want to add to that?
So, Narasimha and Harsha nicely told the exact situation. I would like to add a point here. So, see, AI is nothing but, like, we are all scared of jobs, but actually look into a bigger picture. Without AI, like with AI, there will be no innovation. Like, it will just be a same. So we came to this level because of our human innovation brain. So, like, see, imagine once you start implementing AI in everything, so it just keep repeating the same task again and again. There will be no improvement in our life. And also, I prefer AI to be part of our jobs because I think we all engineers face that issues. Like, we will be waiting for 3 or 4 days of simulation, and then at the end of the day, we realize that we didn't include something. We didn't enable some setting. And if AI is there, that will help us like, hey, this setting is missing, man. Close the simulation and rerun. It will be it will improve our jobs rather than closing our jobs.